everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about composite fish culture. It is a type of fish culture done in combination with the rice crop. It is done in combination with the rice crop so that the fishes can be grown in the water in paddy field. This is known as composite fish culture. In this, both local as well as exotic imported fishes are used. Here, 5 or 6 species of fishes can be used in a single water body. These species are selected in such a way so that they don't compete for food and they utilize the food available in all parts of the pond. For example, we can use cutlas, we can use rohu, we can use mrigals and common carps. Along with these, we can also use green carps. Cutlas are the surface feeders. These are the surface feeders. Rohu is a middle zone feeder. Middle zone feeder. Mrigals and common carps, these are the bottom feeders. And green carps feed on weeds. Since these species are not competing for food among each other, this increases the fish yield in ponds and each and every area is utilized by the fishes. There are many advantages of composite fish culture, such as it increases the fish production. It increases the fish production. It is an economically feasible method. It reduces the competition among the fish species. Competition among the fish species. Here, the efficient use of ponds productivity is done. Apart from these advantages, there is only one limitation. There is only one limitation of composite fish culture, which is there are many of these species breed in monsoon season, and even if we collect their eggs for breeding, there is a chance that it will get mixed up with other species' eggs. So here there is lack of availability of good quality seeds, of fishes. But this problem can be solved by using hormonal stimulation method. Hormonal stimulation method. We can regulate their hormones. We can regulate the fish hormones so that the eggs can be produced at a certain time. So here the eggs can be produced at a certain time. This is all about composite fish culture. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.